What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. Today's gonna be a very epic video here. I'm gonna try to switch it up. Instead of showing you guys the detailing process and how we do things, I'm gonna just give you some advice on how I started, so that way you can start your detailing business, because I get a lot of new subscribers, new viewers, new people that watch my videos all the time. So it's kind of important for me to kind of repeat what I'm saying. It's kind of annoying. It can kind of be a little, counterproductive, but it's important that I repeat what I'm saying, so that way I'm coming off as, the same information in different ways for you guys. Because anyways, you guys get what I'm trying to say. I'm not even gonna keep trying to ramble on about that. But yeah, so we have 3 vehicles for today, and as you guys can see, the weather is it's super cloudy. It's been raining on and off. It's supposed to be like this for the rest of the week, but what can you do? You can't really do much, so we're just gonna go out here and detail. And if we get rained on, sorry, we get rained on, it's all good. We get rained on, we just end the day. But I doubt it'll rain. We have some pretty good money being made today. We got a couple shampoos and stuff like that. So when you do full shampoos, you're getting paid. You're gonna get paid at least $200 to $400, and we're only doing the interior work and stuff like that. So anyways, pretty busy, pretty productive day. But I just want to talk about how I started, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and record a little bit throughout the day, but majority of the video will be me sitting here just talking to you guys. So this is exactly step by step how I got started with my detailing business, right? All right, so when I first started, detailing, I'm actually right next to my car. So when I first started detailing, I didn't even have this car. Actually, I had a Nissan Sentra, but this was my second vehicle that I worked out of, right? So if you guys didn't know, I have an Acura RSX Type S, and I do have the hatch version where I can open that up, and I had the seats folded all the way down, so I was able to fit my detailing stuff, right? So I'll try to see if I can find a picture.
From the Mississippi down to the East Coast.
But I did start off with a Nissan Sentra, right? So that's an important tip right there, right? So if you're looking to get started, I see a lot of people saying in the comments oh, the only thing stopping me from detailing is not having my mobile van, not having a van, and my equipment and the whole setup. And I'm just reading the comments, and I'm just you're not gonna make it, man. Even when you do get the van, you're still gonna struggle, because you're not gonna get the next thing, right? That's not a good mindset to have. That's not an entrepreneur, right? An entrepreneur is gonna get it by any means necessary, right? I'm not trying to brag on what I did or how I did it, but me doing what I did was a prime example of getting it done by any means necessary, right? So I got my Nissan Sentra, and I worked out of that. I couldn't even fit nobody else with me. It was just me. So I put all my seats down. Everything literally was in the car. I had a gas-powered pressure washer. I had a few towels, brushes, and stuff like that, and a bucket. And I started detailing my friends' cars and family's car. So that's the second thing, right? Second tip is reach out to people that are close to you that may know, or you may know will support you, right? So what I'm saying is reach out to family members and friends and let them know hey, I started a detailing business, and this is what I want to do, this is how much I'm charging, but since you're close to me, I'm willing to give you a good price. So that good price for me was, hey, I usually charge $80, but since you're a friend of my cousins, I'll charge you $50 for the inside and the out. And yeah, I'm not making that much money, but you guys got to think long term. So that's the third thing. Think long term. Don't think about what you're making now. So what I was doing was collecting reviews from each and every person that I was collecting reviews from. And Victor's here now. So, yo, you got a lot of comments in the video, bro. People saying happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, say thank you to the people. Say thank you.
Yeah.
You got a few comments on the video yo, say happy birthday, happy birthday. You have fun though, bro? I'm about to. So, anyways, we're about to head off to the first client, and then I'll continue the video there. But the second or the third thing that I was saying was, collect these reviews from the people that you are detailing, because that's gonna carry on to the future, and that's why I'm saying think long term. So, anyways, I'll catch you guys once we get there. Let's go. All right, so kind of just piggyback on what I was saying about collecting reviews. Now, it's very important, right, that you at first start getting reviews from family and friends, simply because they're more willing to leave you these reviews and they're going to say great things about you, right? Now, if you do strangers, which is, something I also recommend, but it'll probably be a little tough. It'll be a lot harder for strangers to want to help you out and, give you reviews and stuff like that. From my experience, family and friends or friends of friends, whatever the case may be, they are more likely to leave you reviews and more likely to say great things about your services, right? So that's just a little bit of, what I was trying to say there before Victor walked in. And I also want to talk about the services that, you are offering when you first start. So a good tip to, to kind of give you is, don't try to offer a freaking paint correction if you don't have experience or if you're just starting out, right? Most people are just simply looking for a wash and wax and an interior detail, right? So simply offer that, right? Just give the people what they want and, do a great job, and collect those reviews, because reviews honestly are the number one thing when it comes to servicing clients, right? Reviews are going to sell you, more than what you can sell yourself, because other people sell other people, right? It's kind of like word of mouth online version, right? So I promise you guys, 98% of the time I get calls, it's because of the reviews, right? A lot of people call me, they're like, hey, I saw your online reviews. You guys are one of the top rated. When can you schedule me? How much do you charge? And schedule me on your calendar, etc., right? So it's very important that you guys collect these reviews. I'm trying to stress the reviews because they are very important, and they will 100% set you apart from any other detailer, right? Especially if you're young, because all these other old businesses that have been in business for like 20, 30 years, they don't know about the online presence, right? They're just word of mouth, old school way. But you, as a millennial, as someone who's watching these videos like this, you can set yourself apart by me giving you the stuff that's helped me and, help you get to where you want to go a lot faster. All right, so the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is doing more than what you're being paid for, right? Now, this is also in one of the books, because I'm not a good reader. I wasn't about to say that. I was just gonna say I love to read books. So I read The Law of Success, and it's also like Think and Grow Rich. So if you read books, then you know what I'm talking about. And one of the laws is simply doing more than what you're being paid for, and you'll get 10 times or 10x what you are expected to get, right? So one of the things that I did, and this is like a secret of mine, but I guess I'll tell you guys because I mess with y'all like that. Pause. Anyways, one of the things that set me apart was me doing extra, right? So let's just say they call me. They're like, hey, Brian, I see you're detailing. When can you schedule me on your calendar? And we set it up, right? They're only paying me $50, right? But to me, like I'm telling you guys, think long term. Don't think about the one client, because that one client's gonna bring you 20 more if you approach it correctly, right? So, and then you could charge those 20 people a lot more, if you get what I'm saying. So, anyways, what I did was I would include something for free, right? Now, I don't do this anymore because I'm at a point in my business where time is money and I can't just be out here throwing away free stuff. But if you're starting, I'm telling you guys, you got to do everything you can. Like, if you can throw in a free engine detail with their wash, they're going to be so happy. Like, that ROI is way further than the monetary value, right? So I'm telling you guys, if you throw in something free, like if they get an interior detail, let's say they have leather seats, throw in a free leather conditioning, don't charge them for it. Just throw it in, just out of generosity, out of just being a good human, human being. But don't expect nothing in return. You kind of got to do it from the heart, right? Because they're gonna notice, if you're doing it out of heart, or if you are just kind of like, oh, like, I'm gonna do this, but I need you to pay me 20 more. You know what I mean? Like, don't charge for it. Just do more than what you're, being paid for, and you will make these clients happy. And that's what it's all about, making clients and customers happy, because they will talk about you, they will spread the word, they will share on their social media accounts, and they will blow you up. You know what I mean? Like, they will help you blow up. I promise you. Just treat them right, and they will treat you even better, right? So I just wanted to talk about that, because it's very important that you guys are doing more what you're being paid for. Don't try to just say, oh, I'm just here for a wash and wax. Let me just, wash it, wax it, and leave. No, if you're starting out, you need to, like, that freaking client you have, you need to, like, act like that's the last client you would ever get, right? Because you don't have the volume to, keep and have people coming in and out. You know what I mean? So just treat that customer right. I promise you guys this will help you a lot. If you guys have any more questions, anything I could have missed, I kind of just do these videos like just off rip, off the top. I don't really have any structure. I just talk, and whatever goes goes. But hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Let me know how you started your detailing business, or if you started, what are you incorporating to get more customers, and how you're treating each and every client, because everything is important, right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, share, subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Hustle never settle, you guys. Keep moving forward, keep grinding, keep hustling, and I will catch you guys at the top. Peace out.